Alright, so this leaf blower retails for about $40, and first impression is this thing is a lot lighter than I was expecting. I think it advertises is like 5.2 pounds, so very lightweight. Which brings me to the question, how good can something so light actually be? That being said, here is the Gochifix 21 volt cordless leaf blower. Let's check this thing out. So real quick, why did I need a new leaf blower? Here's why. Because I had this corded leaf blower and my son was using it and he stuck it into a pile of leaves all the way. Next thing I knew, there were sparks and the inside of this thing was burnt. So I figured, you know what? It's time for something different. So let's actually check this thing out. All right. We have one 21 volt battery. We have two battery charger, a second 1 volt battery, and we have our base here. I believe it actually advertised this as a flexible tube so you can adjust the length short or long. All right, we're on package. Let's actually see what we have here. All right, now I'm going to kind of show you the basics of it now, but more importantly, in a few minutes, I'm going to have some fun and test this thing out. But let's just see what we have here. So, I mentioned it advertised a flexible tube design, and that would be this here. So we have, you can put on one, you can put the two together, make it longer. We take a look at this, we have a little bit of a notch right here, and we have a notch right there. So that tells me this would go together here, which it does. And it goes in and clicks, and then we have a release here. This thing is insanely light. So let's go together. Looks like the batteries will just slide right on. Boom. And we're good to go. Let's see if this thing actually came charged. Oh, it did. All right, so what you just heard was the 5-speed settings. So if you look on here, it says 0, and then I just worked my way up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you're just blowing dust around the garage, you know, start down on a 1. You're outside blowing some leaves around. It even advertises it'll move a little bit of snow. You move up to a level 4 or 5. So back when I was using my corded one, I used to hate that I had to have it plugged in and drag the line. But one thing I liked about it was that I never had to worry about a battery dying. So that's where the dual batteries come in. So it says on low, between the two batteries, you can go for about 100 minutes, and on high, you can go for about 40 minutes. So obviously the key there is you charge a battery, put it in, other batteries charging. If you're doing a big job, when the first battery dies, switch over to the second one. If your yard takes more than 100 minutes, you have a way bigger yard than I do. So before I have some fun testing this thing out, I have some experiments in mind. Let me just give you the quick rundown. Lightweight. 5 speeds, 130 miles an hour top speed, 2 batteries, up to 100 hours on low, up to 40 hours on high. I'm liking what I see so far. So this is the part of the video where I'm supposed to say, click the link below, get 40% off using my promo code. And you can if you want, but you haven't even seen me use this thing yet. So let's go test it out. So one very specific thing really stood out after doing all that, and that was the weight. So I don't mean to brag, I'm a bit of an extreme athlete. I bowl Wednesday nights, so I've had some chronic tendonitis going on here, and I did almost that whole thing with this in my right hand, filming with the left, and it wasn't too bad. It's just that light. I don't know if you can tell I was turning it and getting in all the nooks and crannies. So if you have some tendonitis or shoulder issue or something like that, this thing is great. Now, what else can it do? Not so much luck with the baseball. Worked great with the tennis ball. All right, final review. If you're looking for a light, easy to use leaf blower, this thing is perfect. My favorite thing is probably how light it is, super easy to work with. I also love that it comes with the 2 batteries. If you buy power tools, you know, batteries can be pretty expensive, so you already have 2 of them. I love that. Only downfall I would say, if you're looking for like a super high powered leaf blower, this isn't a super high powered leaf blower. It's a $50 battery powered leaf blower. Has some oomph to it, like I said, 130 miles an hour. I went around cleaning the shop, I moved some leaves, I lifted a tennis ball, you know, did a few things with it. So it's good. For the money, I would say well worth it. If you want to save a little bit of money on it, click on that link below, use the code WOODWORK40. Have a great day.